Hello class 9th. In this video, today we discuss about the equation of motion. That is the first we discuss about the first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at, with the help of graph method. Let us consider at t equal to 0 the velocity of the particle or any body, it is u. At t equal to 0, if the velocity of the particle is 0, so graph is start from O. But in this graph, from A to B, the graph is start from the y-axis, that is from point A. So it is indicate that at t equal to 0, the initial velocity of the particle is u. And after t second, time is increases and velocity is also increases from u to v. At t second, after t second, the velocity becomes v. So the coordinate of point A is at t equal to 0, it is the x-axis coordinate, and initial velocity, that is y axis, value is u. And the coordinate of point B is at t, that is it is the coordinate of x-axis, and the final velocity becomes v. Now we have to draw the perpendicular from point A to the x-axis. It is foot of the perpendicular lies at the point O. Now we draw the perpendicular from the point B, and it is lies at this point. We have to mention this point is D, at the foot of the perpendicular. Now we draw the horizontal line from point A, and it is intersect the perpendicular from B to D at point C. So you see the triangle ABC, and everyone knows the slope of velocity time graph is known as acceleration. Now we have to consider the slope theta, that is angle from the x-axis. Now we have to calculate the acceleration. So the slope of the AB graph. Slope of graph AB. It is acceleration. You know the slope of velocity time graph is acceleration. So A equal to tan theta. From triangle ABC, you have to find out the tan theta. Tan theta equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is BC upon base. Base is AC. Now put the value A equal to BC. Find the value of BC. So the coordinate of B at the y-axis, it is V, and coordinate of the point C at the y-axis, it is equal to U. So the distance from B to C is V minus U. Now put the value of BC, V minus U upon AC. At A point, the time coordinate is 0, and here the time coordinate is corresponding to B, that is t. So now the final point coordinate minus initial point coordinate, it is equal to t minus 0. So A equal to V minus U upon t. Now the cross multiplication, AT equal to V minus U. Now transfer the U the left hand side. So V equal to U plus AT. So it is the first equation, V equal to U plus AT, is derived with the help of graph method. Thank you.